It's actually 4:10. What you doing, Scooter? Oh, you had a birthday.
I know.
I'm scared to stay by myself.
Oh, I would be. Hey, Jordan. Hey, what's he doing? Huh? Look how big he is. How old are you now?
Come on, Sue. Tell her.
This many? 3? 4? 3. You just 3 years old, aren't you? What's the matter? You can't talk?
He's bashful.
You a little bit bashful?
You want some money? Huh?
You a little bit bashful? Well, cord it up. Come here and give me a kiss. Oh, that's a sweet boy. He is brown as a little Indian, isn't he? What you been doing? Playing outside and getting a tan?
Yep, out fishing.
Fishing?
Yep.
Truck, that box. Yeah, just slide back where I had it. You gonna go work in the morning, huh? When you gonna take that ring out of your ear?
Tomorrow morning. You shy? You're not shy.
Say Papa is. Say Papa is. Jordan, say Papa is.
Say Papa Ed.
What's my name? Huh? What's my name?
Shy. Who says that? Miss Linda? You're not too shy. No, you're not. That's Papa Ed. You're not too shy. Now, you better talk or we're gonna leave.
That's Papa's man.
So your mom lives in California. Y'all ever meet up in Wyoming?
Yep, we're all. So my sister just had a baby.
Really?
She named her Alyssa. Alyssa Ann or something like that. And she was 6 pounds. It's gonna be a lot of travel.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna help Mom drive to Michigan to get my little sister and my wife to drive back. It's like about 1,700 miles across Highway 80. It's a drive. 24 hours drive. It's not so bad. Not with 2 drivers. I drove it by myself. Last summer I traveled everywhere. I went from Wyoming to Texas, back to Wyoming, back here, well, back out to
Yeah.
Texas.
Come on, you ain't got a little bit more. He likes it, Dave. He likes that cream. Papa's big boy. He's eating that cream. I mean, he got it too. Florida got a full day. Here you go, baby.
And I'm gonna give a guitar.
No.
Look here, you
No.
got about 2 bites and it'll be finished. It'll make your muscles big. Is he body trained?
Just about.
Look at that muscle. Oh, take another bite, make it bigger. Yeah, I thought we were gonna mash this up right here. Right here, see I mash this up? It'd be easy.
Watch them.
Here you go. When you come back, you got one more bite. That's it. It's gone. It's gone, Daddy. Woo, that's a big boy. Make that muscle. Look at that muscle, Papa. He enjoyed it, that.